Yo, what up? It's your boy Q, the Haitian Child. Back on the grind again, back on the set once again. PIB Films. You already know how we do it, man. We out here grinding. Currently right now, Long Island, West Hempstead. No, this is Hempstead. We got Harlem in the house. You know what I'm saying? We got Brentwood, we got Bayshore, we got Rondell, we got Brooklyn in the house. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, this is the shooting. Where's money? Video, my swag. You know what I mean? You know you gotta have the swag, you know what I'm saying? We got you in the building, straight up, you know what I'm saying? We got my man International that's part of the track. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is? PIB Film once again, it's on deck. Oh, shout out my nigga Drew. Yo, Drew, what it is?
That niggas make it happen. He got the eye.
Said she like my swag, she like my swag, she like my swag. Shorty, what you drinking, baby girl? Put it on my tab, put it on my tab. See, I can take you all around the world, baby girl. All you gotta do is roll with me. Chill in the VIP, smoke some, drink some. I can show you what your life could be.